an uplifting lemony zing. I have to say, walking into the house, I love it. We made a list, you guys. I want to give you a tour. We're all about the warm and cozy vibes. I'm thinking we're gonna keep all the trees. Hey guys, Charlani here. Happy Vlogmas day 12. So it is a robe all day. Today is just a very chill, relaxed day for me, kind of a recharge day, but I want to give you a tour. So without further ado, we'll come back and talk at the end while I walk you around and show things, but let me show you where we're at right now.
It's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind, I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way.
We're gonna come back to this area and that area in just a minute. Let's move over to here. Let me turn some lights on. Okay. Love. I also kind of love this. I'm thinking we're gonna keep all the trees. Love that vibe right there. And then this just makes me happy. All of it just absolutely makes me so happy. Right? Like it's just a happy area. All of it is just a happy area. Love our new Santa. He was a great addition. Thank you, Diane, for the suggestion to put the nuts in a smaller jar. Love. So yeah, this area is probably one of my favorites and totally different than what we had last year. And then over here, this area again, very simple, but also a little bit Christmassy. Yes. Just little touches. Nothing too zhuzhy back here. This area is definitely a work in progress. I am trying to figure out, I've actually gone through Pinterest to kind of get some ideas and some inspo. I have some ideas, but we'll see. I'm not sure that this is what we will keep here. I do really like this centerpiece, but we need to add to it, which is usually what I have done in the years past, but I'm not feeling this tablecloth anymore. So I'm thinking that I need to figure out something new for that. And then this whole wine section, I have wanted to redo this for a long time. And I'm thinking it might be something that we can tackle. And then of course, you guys know we're gonna DIY ornaments for this tree. I'm hoping to get that DIY project started tomorrow. And this area, just not my favorite at all. In fact, I didn't even put the candles that I set up here. We're just gonna donate that because it's, I don't love it. I just don't love it. But I'm also debating on whether or not we should put the Christmas village here. We might play around with it over the next couple of days and just kind of see. So the Christmas village, the North Pole series, I cannot wait to dive into this. So I am thinking that this whole set right here, we also have some goodies in here as well, just as kind of like a throw in. We have the Dickens village, some pieces to the Dickens village, but it is a completely different vibe than this situation right here. So I don't know how much of that we will use. Totally forgot that we had these two. So we'll get into this stuff in the next couple days as well. I have to say, walking into the house, oh, I love it. I just love it. Do you love it, Kai? Do you love it? We do. We very much do. Okay, the tree. I feel like this just gave us so many issues. And like I had said before, the camera, I feel like the camera is really bringing off green vibes. And here's the thing. It's a lot greener than the warmer colored lights that we had last year. You guys know the light debacle. It is what it is. But if you can kind of see up at the top, the very, very top, those are the warmer lights. And then these down here are the newer lights. There is a difference. I love those ones most, but I am not displeased with how this tree has come out. And then we've got a lot of our personal, this is one of my favorite pictures of my kids, because there's a story behind taking that picture, which I just love. And yeah, just fun little things, ornaments that we have had for so many years. They just mean, you know, something to us. Some of them might not be the prettiest, but they mean something to me or the kids. I love all of our little Santas, our holiday Santas. This is another project that we'll do. So I've made a list because there are a few things that we need. We made a list, you guys. Can you believe it? So I do have a few things on here. I've got wine area, nook table, sofa table, Christmas village. These are all things like areas that I need to think about, consider, buy for. And then to buy, I need a rug. Let me show you. I'm thinking a Christmassy rug for right here. And then this is where I'm thinking the Christmas village will go. So again, something to consider over the next couple of days. And then what I do need are some white candles for here if I decide that this is what I want to keep. I do have on this list right here that I needed 3 candles for this table, because what I had in here were red ones, but I ended up putting some smaller white ones, and oh my gosh, those work just fine, so we're good there. And then the other thing is that we need the lights. I am remembering now that the lights that I usually have, they're the big fat colored bulbs, and it looks like the elves are putting it onto the tree, and we broke them last year. We dropped them and a whole bunch of the bulbs broke, so I need to get a new set of that as well. While I was editing our video, I realized that yesterday I did not read off what it said here, but it says, real beauty lies within let me start that over again. Real beauty lies within purple fruits to let it shine. That's what it said. I was not a fan at all of yesterday's tea. So let's go. We need to find day 12. Lemongrass and ginger. Didn't we have one that was very similar to that? Breathe a warming lemony air, a breeze of a brew to keep things clear. All right. And the back says, an uplifting lemony zing with a gingery rush. I like that. Smells good. All right, we're gonna let this steep for just a few minutes, but I hope you guys have enjoyed the last, what has it been, a week of decorating and just kind of like bits and pieces here and there. Yesterday was such a whirlwind of a day, so it generally takes me about 10 days to decorate this house, and I know and I feel like I got a late start, right? So everything I did kind of felt like a rush to get it done, but I did slow myself down, and it was like, you know what, let's enjoy this process. And I very much did. And yesterday, well, the last couple of days, I feel like when I started, I just got into the zone and I wanted to finish it, and I enjoyed the process very much. So I hope that you enjoyed the process too. Thank you so much for doing all that with me. Hope you, like I said, hope you enjoyed the videos for sure. We're gonna start doing things. Like we're gonna DIY those ornaments. We also have some places, like I said a couple of days ago, that I want us to go visit, take some excursions. I want to take a trip to Waco very soon. So my glasses are fogging up because this is like really hot. I'm gonna grab a couple of ice cubes, or this feels like this one's gonna take forever. All right, let's see. It's been a minute, so let's see. I like this. This is very good. I am a fan of lemon. I am a fan of ginger. So this actually, there's a little bit of spice to it. There was a little bit of kick, and don't worry, I know I've got the tea bag in here. You're not supposed to drink tea with a tea bag, but it's okay. Don't worry about it. Yes, I do. I like this a lot. All right, Rob and I are going to watch a football game and just relax for the rest of the night. So we've got football, and then we have Yellowstone, and then I have another episode of the Harry and Meghan on Netflix. I'm obsessed with their story. I'm obsessed with the all royal family things. I don't know why I love it so much. I just do. Anyways, I hope you guys have had a wonderful day so far. I hope you've enjoyed how the house is coming. We still have more to do. We are not finished, obviously. We've got some shopping that we still need to do. Lots of things coming up. So thank you for joining me for Vlogmas Day 12. I will see you tomorrow when my plan is to DIY some ornaments tomorrow. I think it's gonna be fun. All right, we'll see you then. Bye.